Hi guys, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session we'll discuss the DEX function min a and min x. All these functions compute the minimum value from a column or from expression. First of all, we check the min function DEX function. This function returns the minimum value from a column or a smallest value from a column. If you have multiple value in a column and you apply the minimum function, then it will take out the minimum value from that function. And it doesn't work on the logical values, means true or false. It doesn't work on that value. You can compare the expression to expression, and after comparing these two expressions, it will return the scalar value. So as you can see, we have the two syntax. In the first syntax, minimum, we can supply the column from a table, and that table must be part of your data model. In second syntax, you have to supply the two expression. This will compare the two expression and will return the scalar value. This function works on the numbers, text, dates, blanks, but doesn't work on the logical values. Also, if you compare the expression with the blank means 0. So for the blanks, it will return the 0. On which data types the min function works, we can check with this diagram. It works on the number, text, date, blanks, but doesn't work on the logical value. So if we apply the function on the text type, say country, so it will check the value alphabetically. It means Canada, Germany, France. So C is the minimum, and the first occurrence, the answer would be the Canada. The same case product, text type, the CPU is the answer. Quantity source is a number, and the minimum is the 7. Then again sales numbers, then date type. So it will take out the minimum date from the date type column. Then numbers, and finally we have the logical value true or false. So it does not work on the logical or true or false value. So it will give the error. Now we check the min function practically. So first of all, we take the card and create a measure. In measure min, then so first of all we'll check the two expression. First of all, say 1, then second blank. So blank means 0. So if you compare win with the 0, so 0 is the minimum. So 0 is less than the 1. So answer is blank. Now drag and drop this measure. So answer is blank. If I make it -1, then execute. So -1 is less than blank. It means 0. So answer is -1. If I make both blank, then answer is blank, because now both are the 0. Now we will check the min function with column. So you can see we have the data. In a table we have the country, list of country, then product. Both are the text, then quantity sold, numbers, sales date, date type, and finally we have the logical value true or false. So first of all, we take card and try the first column country. We create new measure. In measure mini country, then supply the name of the column. It's a country. Min function, enter, drag and drop. So answer is the Canada. So in case of the text, it compares the value alphabetically. So C comes first before the G and the F. If we try the product, then answer is the CPU, because CPU comes first from the M or P. Now if we try the quantity source and it's a numbers, So minimum quantity sold is the 7, minimum numbers. And if we try the sales date, now we have the minimum sales date. Now if we try the logical value, true or false, then we get the error. So we check the detail, and in detail it says the function min cannot work with the values of type boolean. So the min function doesn't work with the boolean type value. Next one is a min a. This is very similar to the min. Both compute the smallest value from the column. The only difference is the min a function works only for the numbers, dates and logical value. So this is the difference between the min and min a function. On which data type min a function works, we can check with the diagram. Content product, both are the text type. Min a function doesn't work on the text. It works on the quantity sold, numbers, year of sales, again numbers, date type. It works on the date type too. Then numbers, and finally boolean or logical value. So min a function also works on the logical value. Now we check the practical use of the min a function. First of all, we'll try the country, then change the function min a country, and change column name country. Now execute this one, then we get the 0. It means min a function doesn't work on the text type. If we try the product, same result, because product is also the text type. Now if we try the quantity sold, number type, now we get the answer 7, the minimum quantity. It means the min function doesn't work on the text but works on the numbers and date. Now we try the date. And now we get the minimum date. And finally we test the logical or boolean value. So is active. We get the 0. We have the true and false in this column, logical value, and the 1 for the true and 0 for the false. So 0 is the less than the 1, it means 0 is the minimum value. So that's why we have the 0. So min a function also works on the logical value. Next one is the minx. Minx does the same thing and finds the smallest value or minimum value, but it does in the different way. As you can see in the syntax, it requires two parameters, table and the expression. Table is the iterator. It means each and every row will be processed one by one. Second is the expression. Expression means you can apply any expression and the expression will be evaluated, and on the basis of the result of that expression, the smallest value will be calculated. Blank value are skipped and logical value are not supported in this function. So as you can see the diagram, Min-X requires the two parameter table and the expression. Table is the iterator. It means it processes the data row by row. So first row, second row, third row. And then the expression is evaluated for each and every row. Say, if you say country equal to Canada, or product equal to pen, or quantity greater than 20. So the data will be processed row by row, and the expression will be evaluated row by row, and the min-x function will find the smallest value of the result of the expression. And this min-x function works on numbers, date, blanks, but does not support the logical value. Now we will check how to use the min-x function. So we have the data country, product, quantity sold. Now my requirement is, from this data I have to find the minimum value, smallest value for the quantity sold in the Canada country. Okay, get measure. Min-x, and I'll apply a filter, and filter function also returns the data in form of the table. Say filter, and filter pass table, then condition or filter expression. Country equal to, say, Canada. Then second parameter of the min-x function, expression, then say quantity sold. So according to this function, I applied the filter. The filter will filter the data only for the Canada country. So only top three rows Canada. Then expression, quantity sold. So the value will be compared 820 and 120. Now execute this one. Drag and drop measure in the card. So card, the value is the 20 for the Canada country. If I change the, let's say, France, name of the country, then it's a 7, the France. Now suppose I want to find the minimum quantity sold for a particular product, say mouse. So rather than country, product, then mouse, and quantity sold. Now execute. So this is a 15 mouse. For the mouse, so it will pick the rows for the mouse only. Then expression, quantity sold. The value will be compared according to the expression, and will find the smallest value from the this quantity sold column. So if I short this data, then mouse, and 15 is the minimum value. So this is how you can use the min-x function. So guys, this was all about the min a and min-x functions. Thanks for watching the video.